Hello, my name is Ben, and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the now crescent-shaped Serene Republic of Venice. And I'd like to start out by talking to you a little bit about Sebastiano Corniola. He is our president, and he's been our president for a good long while. He's very... I don't remember exactly how long he's been president, but he's been very popular. He's been re-elected, I think, I think he's been re-elected 3 times. I think he's been elected 4 times, or something like that. And I think it was just after our last time as being the head of our federation, our lovely federation, what is this? The Unholy Axis. He became president shortly after we became the leader of the Unholy Axis, or shortly after we stopped being leader of the Unholy Axis, and we had this big old war and all this stuff. And he was just like, man, I missed out on the good stuff. And so he has been in power this whole time, just chomping at the bit. And he's now 105. And so the day he became leader of the Unholy Axis, do you know what he did? He declared 3 wars. And he put us at war with literally everything in this galaxy that is not either in our federation or a fallen empire. And actually, he's kind of looking at these fallen empires too a little bit. I think we could take that. Maybe. So, we started out, just before we became the leader, the Teutonic Order, I believe it was, declared a war with the Habsburgs primarily. Oh, the Habsburgs want to liberate a whole lot of stuff. Interesting. So that was already there, and then we came along and just declared for everything else. So, just so you know, so this is the Bright Conquered, and this is against... Okay, so this one is against our good old friends, the Aztecs, Castile, Ulm, British Republic, British Conglomerate, all them. And so what we're going to take from them, this is actually a little bit more complicated. What we're going to take from them is this planet here in order to get access over here and maybe start pissing off this successor state over there. Rovanic, where's Rovanic? I don't even remember. It's actually a weird combination of things. Oh, this planet here in Finland. One of the major things we're trying to do is open up a corridor between us and the Byzantines, and so this is part of it. One thing we're doing that upon consideration, probably wasn't ideal. We're actually liberating Pollux, but I don't know that they're not just gonna like immediately become someone's vassal or become someone's or join someone else's thing. Anyway, the moment I can, I'm gonna get a really long period of open borders with them. So that'll be something. Gothra. I don't even know where Gothra is. Oh, Gothra is down here. I'm going to actually take the rest of this thing, this system, and Ashamax. Just because I noticed that if I take Ashamax and blow up a certain station right here, Ashamax is right here, I'll actually get a big chunk of Aztec space, and that'll just be fun. So there's that. You'll notice Castile is not on the list. I thought about it. I thought about it really hard, and at this point, Castile is not what's compressing our name, so don't care. The Hansa, yeah, declaring the Hansa was like going shopping. I'll tell you what. Pretty much, it's just all of this. It's like this area here. It's a big chunk area. Like all these planets are worth less than, they're 1 digit worth of war score. And then we are liberating, I think, this one. It's a super easy, just little it was crazy. Just line up the planets and just see what we can get. And then unfortunately we couldn't take too much. We're gonna take Hark and Muse from Korea. We're gonna liberate a couple places. We'll see what we do with them. I don't know if liberating them is necessarily the way to go, but the war that I kind of want to end first is actually this one against the Hansa. The Habsburgs I don't really care about. And I kind of want to keep the Finns be at war with the Finns and the Aztecs for a while, because that actually helps us. It allows us to maintain ship communication with the Byzantines. So we may actually just keep that war around for a while. That may be the last one we finish off. So that's the plan. Time to go to town and kill things. We are losing money. I did do a bunch of stuff. I consoled out a bunch of bugged pops. I made a few new designs, but we'll deal with those later. I upgraded a lot of things to the new impulse thrusters, and as well as some of the new advanced... Actually, I wonder why... I don't know that precognitive interface is even a good thing. Now that they've nerfed evasion a little bit, maybe. I don't know. I think the way evasion works is really dumb. I've heard that basically, if your evasion is higher than their... what's it called? If your evasion is higher than their chance to hit, they miss. If your evasion is lower than their chance to hit, they hit. Which kind of doesn't make sense to me. It just doesn't. It just doesn't. I'm sorry. I don't know. Anyway. It seems like it should be a lot more like XCOM, where like, I don't know. Anyway. I don't get it. Now, without further ado, and yes, it is a new, it's a new, thing. It's a new session. And we are... That's right, we're gonna go and see if we can blow up some of these folks. So let's turn time up and see what happens.
Station under attack.
Could they please tell me which station where? Could you? Could you do that? Could you please do that? Because I have no idea. I have no idea what station is under attack. Not a clue. Not a bit. Nope. Don't know. That's horrible. That's really bad. Powerful pop factions don't care. I have a station under attack. I don't know where it is. Not a tiny bit of a clue. Is it over here? I have a big empire. It could be anywhere. Oh my goodness. I hate to do this, but it's sort of like... I hear it's important to not lose stations, and then it tells me that I have one under attack, and I don't know what to do about it. And I don't even know where it is, so don't care. Okay. Let's just let time move forward. And my frames are still really slow, and I'm not sure why. Are they just going to jump out? I suspect they're just going to jump out. Are they out? Yeah, they're out. Yeah, go after them. Also, where are my, where's my big transport fleet?
Situation log updated.
Okay. This fleet should come down here. Into orbit. No, that's a bad spot. No, this should come down here. Into orbit. Okay. My transport fleet should do some fun stuff. Okay. I don't think we're gonna actually hit these guys. I think they're gonna get out. You know what I'm probably gonna do, actually?
Situation log updated.
Okay, and you know what's funny? Oh crap, that's not funny. Okay. Okay, let's take a look at some things here. One. Okay. Remember how that guy, our new president, declared the war? Well, he's no longer the president anymore. We have a new president. And he has a minor mandate. That's pretty cool. We may or may not hit that. Doesn't really matter. What is he good at? Severio Orciola. He's good at spaceport build stuff and resilient. What he's not very good at is getting us a whole lot of money. We're losing a ton of cash right now. I'm trying to figure out what to do about that. Zara sector. Can you give me a new... I want some new... Okay. Governors, and I was wondering what kind of stuff they could get us, but... Nothing that's going to get us a whole lot of money. Okay. So this is a lot of cash. And I think what we've just done is outbuilt our... what we've done is outbuilt our military, our ability to pay for it. I don't want to disband anything. What I'd like to do... let me check something real quick. Venezia. What you got going on? Joyful. Joyful gets a bunch more money there. Now, I did spend a bunch of my minerals upgrading these, a bunch of power plants of various types. Shoot. This is going to be an actual, like, real problem. And I'm beginning to wonder... Armies are expensive. Let's go throw a bunch of armies at some stuff. That's not an army. Transport fleet. Come... here. Just... land. Land armies. Okay. Big fleet. Come here, destroy things. Fourth fleet. That's a big fleet. Why don't you go and start just blowing things up that need blowing up? Like that. Oh no, that's French. Never mind. Oh no, that's not what I want. Okay, sorry. Just kidding. You come over here. Oh, that's actually a pretty good sized fleet over here. I was gonna say come over here and blow up this, but they've got some stuff. They got some stuff going on here for sure. Yeah, this is the Koreans. Let's see what kind of tech they're rocking. Neutron torpedoes. All right. Small UV lasers. Ooh, Stormfire autocannons. I'll take that. I'll steal tech. Yeah, I will. Actually, it kind of makes me wonder. Do we want to split this in half? Split fleet. And Silvestro Contarini gets to man both of them. Alright. Go there. So one thing we're going to want to do is just rip through here, and we want to take this out. Take this guy right there. That's going to be big. Okay. Oh, now we're losing even more money. Oh, I know why. I know exactly why. Okay. Okay. And my frame rate's down. I still don't know what the deal is with the frame rate. Actually, can you... Actually, I'm really not worried about you. Yeah, you just blow up some stuff over here. What I'm not worried about is... oh, hey, sweet. There's a fleet there. What I'm not worried about, the stuff that I'm talking about, is... I'm not worried about his wormhole stations, because I'm not worried about this guy's fleets. Oh, that's a cool looking spaceport. That really is. That's a neat spaceport. I've never played with that design before. Cool. Okay. Let's do it.
Construction complete. Situation log updated.
What? I think we keep blowing up ships in various places.
Station under attack.
Don't know
Construction
where.
complete.
Don't know how.
Hostile fleet detected.
Where's this? Ah, that is a hostile fleet. 12.9k. Okay. So do I want to? I don't really care about them. Come on down here. We're gonna have our fleets converge.
Situation log updated.
And there was evidently combat. Blew up a spaceport. See, now if I knew that that spaceport was under attack, I could do something about it. Did I know? Nope. Didn't know. Oh yeah, they're running away.
Engaged.
Can I go to? Yep.
Situation log updated. Research complete.
Ooh, research complete. Come on up. Okay, so we have a bunch of troops coming to... Oh no, not there. There. Let's go blow it up. Ooh. Yeah, we already have a transport fleet there. Shoot! How about if you actually get the crap out of there? Come here. Into orbit. Wonder if they're actually going to go after that. Ooh! New technology! Select research. Is there anything that gets us more money? Probably not. Kinetic weapon attack speed? Nope. Stormfire autocannon. We are not going to do that yet. We're just not gonna. We're gonna steal that from other people. A little bit more. Go swarmer missiles or advanced railguns. Advanced railgun isn't that bad. And actually, believe it or not, that's not very long. No, maybe that is. 33,000? That's not bad. Why is that a long time? Whatever. It'll work. Okay. We are losing a lot of money.
Station under attack.
You know, it'd be really
fleet
cool
engaged.
if you told me where that was. Oh, nice. We're immediately into... Yeah, we're immediately into combat. Perfect. Oh yeah. That's the Aztecs blowing up our stuff. Maybe declaring this many wars was a bad idea. No! No! That's silly. Kill him. Kill them. Kill them dead.
Hostile fleet engaged. Situation log updated.
Oh yeah, right. Wreckage. Yes. Yeah, this is the stuff we're gonna want. We're gonna want to investigate this.
Updated.
Tensions between the Venetian superior population on Spalato with the Titans and the Venetians they share the planet with are rising. Several attacks have been carried out by individuals from both sides, including at least 2 bombings. Both sides of this conflict are radicalizing, and more acts of violence seem likely. Well, that's too bad. They both get... All Venetian superior and Venetians in Spalato with the Titans gain militarist and xenophobe. Okay. Okay, I just merged those. Now, go kill. That's, oh sweet, that's a 19 war score. Maybe we can finish this. That's one less, it'll be one less war than we currently have, which would be kind of nice. Fleet combat stats. What is that? Okay, we lost a spaceport. So we lost a Corvette out of that fight. Wow. They lost 15 Corvettes out of 40, but they didn't lose everything, obviously, so, okay. We are going to want to research these. Oh, hey, Schiaparelli, where are you? Come down here. Enter orbit. The strike force belonged to the Venetian Superior Front, a radical group on Spalato with the Titans, recently launched an attack on a large Venetian settlement. The few defenders were quickly wiped out, after which the Venetian Superior swept through the settlement and massacred the population in their homes. A spray-painted message on the rubble states, "Venetian Superior are the future." Okay.
Hostile fleet detected.
Yep. Building's been ruined. That's too bad.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Is that this? Yeah, it is. Okay. That's a big pile of... That is a big pile of ships.
Engaged.
Is there a policy I can do? Engineering, research, society, social welfare programs. Nope. War economy. What's that? No. Don't know exactly what we can do to get more money. I mean, it's not like frightening, but it will be kind of soon. We may have to start disbanding boats. It's just kind of gonna have to happen.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Where's this fleet? Oh, you're there? Oh, that's a weird place. Why did I stick you there? Let's troll. Attack that. Attack that. Come on. Oh yeah, they'll do it. Okay. Then, attack that. That way, they can't get around our territory. Or, you know, the territory of our allies. Yeah. We'll start with that. Let's just blow up a bunch of stuff here. Their station is fighting back, but... not super well.
Situation log updated. Hostile fleet engaged.
Oh, okay. Yeah, they're gonna blow that up. Okay.
Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah, it's time to move these guys in. Our transport fleet should come in. Land armies. Well, they should come to here, actually, is what they should do. Okay.
Construction complete. Situation log updated.
There we go. Got a little bit of debris there that we might actually want to do something with.
Construction ship under attack.
Where? Oh my goodness, they need to... Oh my goodness, I have a construction ship under attack. Where is it? No. Whatever. No, I don't care. Ugh. Yeah, this game is good. I really do like this game, but man, they need to work on some stuff.
Situation log updated.
Alright. Actually, guys, go kill that. Kill that. And then kill that. In that order, please. Because one of the things we need to do is we have to... yeah, we have to... Man, we only have 800... We only have several months left to go until we just don't have... we just don't have any money. Hey, I have an idea. We have just enough influence. Go to someplace like Venezia and say, hey... Oh, you're already doing capacity overload. Oh, alright. Hey, Murano, please tell me you can do this. And why are you labeled Habsburg? You're not Habsburg. He's not even Habsburg. Your governor's not even Habsburg. Weirdo. Okay. Edict. Capacity overload. What does this do? It helped. It certainly didn't hurt. Do we have any more decent planets in our... Melaponto, where are you? Plus 37. I mean... Capacity overload. Minus 62. That's... Ugh. We're actually going to have to take... Well, we'll take this fleet. I mean, I spent a lot of resources on it. But we'll just get rid of it. I'm wondering if this fleet needs to go. If this fleet goes, we're probably okay. Also, I have too many... I have too many armies. Actually, how do I... Okay. Let's get rid of these armies. Alright, okay. We're not building those. In fact, these guys... I hate to say it. We're not building these either. Go to... Where am I? Transport fleet. Disband. Agree. That should have actually gotten rid of a bunch of cost. Oh, it's a research station. Okay. Oh, is the research station, like, right there with the spaceport? That's interesting. Does that spaceport have a... Yes, it does. Solar panel network. Fine. Okay, not FunCon. I hate to say this. All you armies. Transport fleet 10. Goodbye. Very sorry. Okay, well, our power is going down just because we need more. We need more money, and it really sucks, but it's true. Where are we? Okay. So that's the way that's gonna be. Okay. And then we're probably gonna send our science ship in here real quick. Probably to pick up that. Research project. There's another research project over here. Probably there. And that's pretty much going to be it for now, but so we're going to have an... Oh man, it's getting kind of clunky. Getting kind of clunky. Let's blow some stuff up, let's win this war, let's make it happen. I don't know how we're winning pretty much anything. Oh, we're losing space battles on this one. We're winning things here. Winning little space battles here. We're just gonna have to start taking planets. I think that's what we gotta do. But we're gonna have to do that next time. Until then, you know what? I kind of enjoyed myself. It's really hard to work this game sometimes. Hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do in fact look forward to seeing you next time.